What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a Google Calendar plugin or how to embed a Google Calendar on your Wix website. So here I'm on my Wix dashboard. Here are my websites that I created earlier, and let's say I want to add a calendar here on this website, the My Site 10. Now the first thing you need to do is to go to Google Calendar, and in the main view here you have your calendars on the left side, on the bar on the left side here, and let's choose any calendar that you want to add. And next to the calendar name you have the three dots here, the options. Click on it and then click on settings, and any calendar here you have the settings, you have the integrate calendar. Click on it, or simply just scroll down in this page, settings page right here. Here you have the embed code. Now make sure you choose the embed code, not the public URL or redirect for this calendar. You want to select this code, copy it, Control C or Command C on Mac, and then go to your Wix websites. Click on edit site on the website you want to add the calendar to. It'll open up the website in the Wix Studio website editor, and here it is. Now you want to add a new element here to embed the calendar, and let's click on the plus icon here to add an element. You want to scroll to the embed and social, click on it, and then you want to choose embed code from here, or just click on it here. It'll open up a new section here for the embed. Now click on enter code, and you want to paste your code here that you copied from Google Calendar. Click on update and just wait a few seconds, and your calendar should be here. Now you can expand it, you can control the size, make it bigger or smaller, and or you can stretch it from this button right here. Now if you go and preview the website, as you can see here, you have the calendar which is embedded, and it's also interactive. You can scroll and view the whole month here, and you can choose a month, week or agenda view.